Hello everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. Today I'm going to be guiding you through a process on how to reset your Atomic Wallet account's password. If you are trying to log into your Atomic Wallet but you've forgotten your password during logging in, then here's how you can easily get access back to your wallet. So if you want to learn how, watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up your Atomic Wallet app and tap on Restore from Backup. Now, you'll need to type in your 12-word backup phrases word by word with spaces in between with no capital letters in the text box. Go ahead and find your backup and type in exactly how it is. After you paste in your backup phrases, tap Restore at the bottom. Now, soon after you tap on Restore, it'll ask you to enter a new password. Every time you restore your wallet with your backup phrases, you'll need to type in a new password. So go ahead and enter a new password, which will be easier for you to remember whenever you want to get access to your wallet. After you do that, tap on Set. Retype in the new password to confirm it. Finally, tap on Confirm, and this will help you restore your wallet again. You should now be able to access your wallet with the new password. Whenever you log out of your wallet in the future, you'll need to now enter the new password to get access to your Atomic Wallet. That is how you can easily reset your Atomic Wallet password. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.